Hello there! Hello once again, grade 10 students out there. For today's video, we're going to talk about what is geometric sequence. We are now on week 6 and this will be our topic in your module. Again, take down notes for your reference later. Here we are going to find out the common ratio and the nth term. Now let's define what is geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence with a common ratio. We have here a formula: a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1, where a sub n is the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and r is the common ratio. So we have here 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. This is the example of a geometric sequence. We have here our a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. To get the next term, as you can see, you're going to multiply the first term by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. And 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Followed by 8 times 2 is equal to 16. As you can see, we have here a common number 2. And this common number now is called the common ratio. So, again, our common ratio in this sequence is 2. By simply getting the common ratio, just simply divide the second term to the first term. So, we have 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. And 16 divided by 4 divided by 8 is equal to 2. So the common ratio of 2, 4, 8, and 16 is 2. What if you are asked to give the next 3 terms of the sequence? Simply multiply the last term by 2. 16 times 2 is 32. Next, you multiply 32 times 2 is 64. So that's it on how you're going to give the next 3 terms of the sequence by getting first the common ratio. Okay, we have here example 3, 6, 12, and so on, and you are going to give the next 3 terms of the geometric sequence. First step, you are going to solve for the ratio by dividing the second term to the first term. So we have the ratio now is 2. Okay, next you are going to multiply the common ratio to the last term. So we have here 3, 6, 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2 will be 48, and 48 times 2 is 96. Okay, next problem. Let's try to have our next example. We have negative 8, negative 4, negative 2, 1 half, and supply for the next 3 terms. Solve for the ratio, that is negative 4 divided by negative 8. That is equal to positive 1 half. Okay, this will be multiplied to get for the next term. 1 half times 1 half. Numerator times numerator. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. And our next term is 1/4. Okay, sunod. Kani si 1/4 na po dato yung multiply ni 1 half. So 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. So our next term is 1/8. Then 1/8 now multiplied by the common ratio 1 half. That is 1 times 1 is 1. 8 and 2 is 16. So that's it. That is 1/16. We have here 1, negative 3, 9, negative 27, and supply for the next 3 terms. So we have the ratio is equal to negative 3 divided by 1, that is negative 3. Okay, to find the next term, you're going to multiply negative 27 by our common ratio negative 3, which is equal to, that is 181. Positive 81. So this 81 now will be multiplied again by negative 3 to get the next term. So we have 243. That's negative 243. And 243, negative 243 multiplied by negative 3, that is equal to 9. 12 carry 1, that is 7. That's positive 729. Okay, what if you are asked to give the nth term of the sequence? So we have 6, 12, 24, and find the fifth term. We are now using our formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Our a sub 1 is 6, our r is 2, that is 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. And our n is 5. Okay, a sub 1, supply 6. Then the ratio, which is 2 to the power of 5 minus 1. Okay, we have 6 now. That is multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. 6. 2 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we have 4, that is 4, that is 16. That is 96. 6 times 16 is 96. That will be our fifth term using our formula. Okay, next we have here 1, 3, 9, 27, and you're going to solve for or give the sixth term of the sequence. Okay, a sub 1 is 1, our n is 6, and our r is 3. Okay, using the formula now is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Solving for the sixth term, a sub 1 is 1, r is 3 to the power of 6 minus 1. Okay, 1, that is equal to 3 to the power of 5. That is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 and times 3. That is 9, 27, 81, 243. Okay, that is 1 times 243. The sixth term now of the sequence is 243. We have here another example. 8, 4, 1, 1 half, and you are going to give the seventh term of the sequence. Okay, first you write the given. A sub 1 is 8, r is equal to 1 half. It's because we are going to divide 4 divided by 8, and this 1 half. Our n is equal to 7. Use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, a sub 7 is equal to 8 times r is 1 half raised to the power of 7 minus 1. Okay, we have 8, that is 1 half raised to the power of 6. 8, 1 times 6 times is 1, 2 times 2 times 2, 6 times. That is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 1 over 64. You can divide 8 and 64. We have 8 divided 8 is 1, and 64 divided 8 is 8. So the seventh term of the sequence now is 1 over 8. Okay, we have here the last example. Negative 40, 20, negative 10, 5, and you are going to give the 11th term of the geometric sequence. A sub 1 is negative 40. Our r is negative 1 half. Since we are going to divide 20 and negative 40, that is equal to negative 1 half. And our n is 11. Using the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. A sub 11 now is equal to negative 40 times the quantity of negative 1 half raised to the power of 11 minus 1. Negative 40 times negative 1 half raised to the power of 10. So negative 40, negative 1, 10 times is positive 1. Positive 1. And 2, 10 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128, times 2 is 36, 1, that is 256, 256 times 2, we have here 12, carry 1, 11, carry 1, that is 512, times 2 is 2, that is 4, 2 and 10, that is 1024. That is positive because our power is positive. Now multiply. Negative 40 times 1 is negative 40 over 10,000, 1024. 1024 now divided by 40. 40, that is 2. We have here 2 times 40 is 80. Subtract. We have 2. That's 2. Bring down 4. That is 5. 5 times 40 is 200. We have here exceeding with a remainder of 24. So our answer is negative 40 over 1024 or negative 25 and 24 over 1024. Okay, that's it. That is our last example. So, mao na to siya class, ang atong geometric sequence topic. There are two things to remember. The formula of geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. In solving for r, which is the common ratio, you need to divide the second term to the first term, the third term to the second term, and so on. So, ang atong sunod ani nga topic is all about geometric means. Ako na lang siyang giputol-putol because I know this is more complicated because we are dealing with fractions and powers here. So, see you once again. Don't forget to like and share this video para makatabang sab sa uban. God bless!